After the raining full moon night, it was also a rainy morning, and the story begins from here. Just after whole night rain, now it's so beautiful this morning, and our pond is almost filled with water, and the surroundings also. Uh, it's like a beautiful day, though it's summer, but it feels like the monsoon time period. And just see the surrounding, it's so beautiful. My money plant, this is a beautiful place. After the rain, the flowers are blooming. The best time for doing butterfly photography in garden. And now let's see our there is a water body in front of our home. This road is empty right now. As you can see, there is a water body behind me, and it will become linked with the river during soon. Water bodies are the kidneys of the earth. Whenever there is rain, these ants always try to find a new place where they can survive better. After the rain, wildflowers are blooming, and see, there is a flower blooming, and it's a biodiversity rich zone in front of our home, as you can see. Those people who just cultivate that paddy in this region, all is now in the below this water, and it's a very much loss for them. Sudden rain in the month this summertime destroyed all the paddy, and now they're all below this water. And you can see that horizon, there is that Kaljani river, known as Dhekia shark in local language, and it's very much delicious. And you can see this is a tumur plant which is used in jagga, and also this is for those who have high blood pressure. Comparatively, this year the production of mango is higher than the previous years. There is a mango tree behind me. And because of this rain, my Ma Durga also become green. The best time to have the curry of raw jackfruit. It's a very much tasty fruit. You can say it's one type of meat for the vegetarians, and it's very much tasty, delicious. See this particular plant. This is known as Modhu Cholon in vernacular name. It's very much helpful to clean the copper and brass items, and also you can eat in chutney. Person known as bleeding heart, and it's a very beautiful flower of monsoon. Do you know about that homeopathy medicine which is known as Raulfia serpentina, which is a medicine of high blood pressure? And this is the plant from which that medicine is extracted. This one is the plant Sharpagandha. It's our brinjal plant. This one. This particular type of brinjal is actually special, and it's actually you can get during the monsoon time period, not only on in another time period. It's only available in monsoon period. Planted this plant, and because of this continuous raining, it now fully grown. And for those things I like this season so much, especially this rainy days actually. And in our city, in our district of Kuchbihar, through the whole year you can enjoy a gentle breeze blowing from the east to west, and it's very much cooling all the time. Because of this rain there is a landslide in our nearby our pond, so we have covered it with temporarily with that polythene sheet. A lot of snakes actually in this place. Right before some time when I was here, there was a smell of Govindabhog rice, which means that there is something poisonous there. And it was there a snake. The canopy, see it. So after watching all those things throughout the day, when you come home you have to study also, na? So go home and do some study. So see you in the next vlog. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.